Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet again another video. You're in Digital Marketpreneur channel. In this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. My name is Carlos, and as you know, at the time of recording of this video, we are going through tough times. A little bit of scare with the coronavirus, and one thing that I want everybody to understand is that sometimes you get that calling. Sometimes something happens that makes you go, oh, I have an epiphany. Well, a lot of people have been sent home. I actually have a brother that works setting up companies to remotely work from home. The advantage of working from home is you don't have to worry if something like this ever happens, or something with the marketplace crashing down or something. You are already an established person online. And I said this on my previous video. If you don't see this as a great opportunity to start your online business, no matter what it is, then you are not cut up to be an entrepreneur. And I'm really sorry, but it's just the truth, because you have to seize the opportunities. Now, as you know, I've been gone for a few weeks because I mentioned in a previous video, and this is one of the last times you will know why. And I mentioned it is because of the birth of my daughter, and you know, it was a little bit of a trying to help everybody get back healthy. But now I'm back. In the next few days, I will be recording my free course that I promised in the first quarter of 2020. I'm excited. I can't wait. And this just was big. Open that opportunity. I'm going to show you how can you monetize that content, okay? How can you make money on the internet? I know a lot of people ask about how can I do this, and one of the things in this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing. Now, there's two things that I want you to understand. You need to publish, okay? You can do this with blogging, you can do this with YouTube, you can do this with Pinterest. Now, why I do like those three platforms, because it's search engine. People are searching for something, and think about the possibilities nowadays where people are sitting at home for 2 weeks without having much to do. Some people might be working from home, but at the same token, how much can you do on the computer, right? You'll start searching, and I bet you that YouTube is gonna skyrocket in time of watch, because people are gonna be watching for something to get entertained. You can only watch so much Hulu, so much Netflix, but people will be trying to see, is there other opportunities for me to do and have the opportunity to make more money online? And I want you to see the possibilities. Some of you already know it. They just don't want to take the next step, or you want this to be something that works for you tomorrow. And you're in desperate times, and you're in these 2 weeks you're not working. You need to make money right away. But I want you to think about the long-term repercussions of what you do. If you try to just paste your link and make a sale, well, that's great. But what if you don't monetize your content the right way? That's gonna be a problem. So we gotta be on YouTube. That's my channel. And one thing I want to show you is that even though I did not post for a few weeks, I have over 2,000 views. That's incredible. I appreciate everyone, you know, that supported me. And in the last 30 days, like, I didn't post any videos in the last 30 days. I still got 86 views on my videos, you know, and I have 2 videos that I released. So this is lifetime. This is the last 30 days. I have 110 videos on my channel. You guys can go check them out. Hopefully something resonates with you. But the most amazing thing is, once I get to a certain level, then I will be able to monetize all this content, and this content is going to live on the internet for a long time. And we're gonna start with something like blogging. Now, I was doing some of my research, and I'm gonna explain a couple things to you when we get there. But the first thing is, when you create your blog post, there's 3 ways that you can actually monetize your content, okay? There's many others, but these 3 are the most principal ones, and the ones where you can actually make a good amount of money. And I was looking for some of them so they can show me something that I want you to see. And this is the bump.com, and it's 14 best baby bottles for every fitting need. Now, why am I looking for this? I mentioned it at the beginning of the video. I have a 2-month baby, we need to find the best bottles to feed her. We have a problem and we need a solution to our problem. Yes, we're first-time parents, so a lot of parents that have absolutely no experience will be looking for this kind of information. And there's parents, having babies every single day, every single year. And I can tell you, because I work in the health department, and as a maintenance guy, I have to go into these rooms, and sometimes we're overflowing with parents having babies. Okay, so when you click on this, you are gonna notice, first things first, this is get more from the bump. Sign up for our weekly updates to help on your road to parenthood. Key, this is number one, and this is the key, guys, to success, to have success in your business. Start your email list. That's the right way to be an affiliate. That's the right way to actually start monetizing your content, because the more you get people into a newsletter or something you give away for free, you'll be able to have that as a lifetime customer, because you will keep sending emails to all these people. Now think about this. Google might take your blog out of the first page in the rankings. Then you won't have the same type of traffic. But if you monetize it the right way, having a email list, you can actually just send a blast email to everyone and have people buying from you that way, because you're always giving value. You can also tell them, I just released a brand new blog post about X, that has to do with babies that you will be interested in, and that's how you monetize that. Okay, so that's the first. The second one, you write your blog post, and then you see all this right here, the next Planon, or this Tylenol for babies. If you click on any of these ads, this is called AdSense. You have to apply when you start your blog post. Now you're gonna get 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents, it all depends on the niche that you pick. But every time somebody clicks on that and they go, even if they don't purchase, you're actually earning. So that's the second thing that you can do in your content to monetize. Third thing, we talk about affiliate marketing. And you look at this, they're talking about all the bottles, and then buy it, all a baby, gentle bottle, 13 for 8 ounce bottle. You click on the Amazon.com. This is an affiliate link. You're gonna click on it. It's gonna take you to Amazon. You might not making more purchase for all the bottles or any other necessities that you have for your baby. You are making commissions. Now we're going in YouTube, and like I say, it's a search engine, and it's something that I like a lot, because people are looking for solutions, and sometimes they just don't want to read it, they want to see it. So we're gonna look for the best strollers for babies for 2020. We're gonna click on this specific video, okay? And then you are going to see that one of the ways that you get monetized is by being a part of the YouTube program or partnership program. So every time this videos run in front of your videos, you are making money per video. Okay, so it all depends on the niche. It's just like blogging. This is AdSense, so every time that ad runs in front of it, you're making money on your videos. And you can see that she has 837 views so far. The more views you get, the more money you can make, and the possibilities are endless. Okay, and that's what I say, you gotta publish, because the more videos you make, and if you already monetize, the more you can make throughout the month. Okay, so it could be 10 cents, 5 cents, it all depends. It will tell you when you actually are able to get monetized. To get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours view. Okay, so it takes a few videos, but if you make them engage, if you giving people a lot of value, and then you send them to the next video, then you will see the increase of time on your videos that you are keeping them, and that's gonna be the key for you to start earning money. Now, first, AdSense. The second one, you come to the description, right? And then you see all these links right here. That's the second way you can actually start earning money. Okay, because every time somebody clicks on any of these strollers that you review, and they go to Amazon like we saw before, you are able to cash on that because you're an affiliate through Amazon. Okay, the next thing, and this is something that I want you to look at it. There's no email list. She wants you to go to Instagram. Yeah, you can get the followers and all that stuff, but it's a lot harder for you to actually monetize that. So if I was her, I will have a guide of what, or the top 3, I would probably not say top 3, but the 5 defining things that will make a stroller the best one for you, or the 5 requirements as a parent to purchase a stroller, right? And based on your experience, you can create a PDF completely for free. You can actually go and create this in canva.com. There's got to be a link on the description. It's absolutely free, guys. You can create thumbnails, you can create anything you want, but there's a link on the description. You can go check them out, log in, and then you can start creating a free PDF, or you can make it as nice as you want. There's a bunch of designs, and you get people in your email list. And as you move, you know, if you're doing just a website about strollers or just a YouTube channel about it, you can actually monetize. And you know what, I just want to go and check this video, and the channel is called Top Picks. They got over 10,000 subscribers, and she actually does reviews on everything, like the noise canceling, best table fans, hair dryers. So it's all about the reviews. Okay, best products and brands in no time. One thing you can do with that is, if you want the top products, enter my email list, and I will send you information about products that you want me to do review, or something like that. Like, you know, you gotta research your niche, you gotta research your marketplace, so then you know how to get people on your email list, and then you can monetize. You see the power? This is just a little bit of examples for you guys to realize that the potential is there now that we all staying home. Some of us are and others are not, but it's time to get going. It's time to start your online business. And if you guys want a whole year plan, there's a video that's coming right after this one where I go over a whole year plan and how can you go about starting your online business. For those of you that are complete beginners, and it will take you a little time to learn, you know, the intricacies of how to set the blog post, where to do the keyword search, where to find other people information and what they're doing, so you can actually replicate the same information but with your own twist, and also adding even more value so you guys can actually start earning money. So we're gonna sum this up. The 3 ways that I show you in this video you guys can make money is make money with AdSense, make money as an affiliate with your affiliate links, and email list. And guys, email list is the key. I will repeat this for as long as I have to. People are not teaching this, people are not talking to you about build your email list. Your email list is gonna save your business in times like this, because you can just blast an email to everyone and say, listen, I got a new product, I got a new service, and people will purchase from you because they trust you, they know you. And even in time of needs like this, you will be someone that will be looking for answers to certain problems, specifically on your niche. So with that being said, guys, I'm glad to be back. I'm coming with more videos, and I can't wait to release my course, because I know you're gonna have a lot of aha moments, and we're gonna, you know, detail how can you go about creating your online business from scratch. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.